Hey everyone, welcome back. Is Lyft asking for a login code but the text message never shows up? This happens to a lot of people and it's usually caused by one of these two iPhone settings, both easy to fix. First, check is if do not disturb mode or focus mode is active on your iPhone. Swipe down from the top right corner and if the focus icon is lit up, tap on it to turn it off. Lyft sends login codes from automated short code numbers that your iPhone silently blocks when focus mode is on. After that, go to your settings app and go to phone. Then scroll down to silence unknown numbers and make sure that it is turned off. Lyft short codes look like an unknown number and gets filtered out. Now go back to the Lyft screen and tap Resend Code and wait a full 60 seconds before expecting it. If you still do not get it, look for an option to get the code by phone call instead of text. Lyft will call you and read the code out loud. Choose the call option and then that get through even when text does not. So, all you gotta do is turn off focus mode, turn off silence unknown callers, tap Resend Code or switch to a phone call. Your Lyft code will come and that's it.